Welcome again, guys, to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'll be showing you how to make a sustain pad. In fact, the easiest and one of the cheapest way to make a sustain pad. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I have already prepared the things that I need to use. We have a CD case. Hold on. So here we have a CD case. A CD case. We have a piece of file paper. We have a solder bolts, but the thing is, I don't have any solder, so we're just gonna put that one side. We have the stencil knife, yeah, and a hot glue gun. And we have the hot glue, paper clip, yes, paper clip, and the plug to go in the keyboard. Yes, I could show you how to connect the wires inside the plug, but not in this video. All right, and we have some extra length of wire to give us some length, so we can have enough length so that the sustain pad can go to from the keyboard to our foot from wherever. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the case, the CD case. Now you can cut it in whatever shape you want to cut it. The important thing is to make sure that it has this area here that you can open and close, open, close. So I'm going to, you know, you know what? Alright, I'm just going to cut the edge right here. Just cut the edge right here. Alright, so alright, so I finish cutting the shape that I need. You know, as I said, you can put it into any shape you want. So this is the shape that I need for mine. Alright, don't really want anything too fancy. So that is it. So what we're going to do now, so this is the side that I'll be using here. I'll just glue this side down. So this is the side that I'll be using. Alright. Alright, so that's the paper clip. I'm going to glue it. I'm going to glue it between here. So right here, I'm going to glue the paper clip right here. Alright, so I'll be gluing it right there. So one part I will be gluing one part here and the other part right here. This end right here. this end is glued and the other end. So let me show you. It's not as neat as I wanted it to be, but that's how it looks. Alright. So I'm going to let it dry and then I come back. So here we go. So I'll be connecting the wires from the lead that I have, the plug that I have. Alright, so the key thing here though is to not allow the wires, the two different color wires, to connect right here. We don't need them to connect right here. Alright, so what we do, we put the black wires together and the red wires together. Alright, so I'm going to keep the ends together, keep the ends so that they cannot connect. So I tape this end and I'm going to tape, so I finish taping that end, so I'm going to tape the other end so that way the raw wires won't meet. Alright, so it looks something like this. Alright. Connect the file paper to the wires. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be gluing the file paper to either ends. So one file paper will be on one side of the fold that is on the DVD case, and the end will be right here. So you put it at a place where they can, whenever it closes, they can meet. Alright? So you're not supposed to do it in a way. The whole theme of the thing is to have the file paper that is connected to the wire meeting when you close it down, and once you release it, it opens up and separates the file paper that is connected to the wire from each other. Alright, because once the file paper is connected consistently, you will have the sound holding out constantly. And once it cannot meet, you know you'll have a problem. You won't have the sound being sustained. Alright, so that's the goal of this. Alright, so I'm going to glue the file to the DVD case. Right, so I'm going to glue right here. Yeah, and I'm going to put the file right on top of it. So the file is placed on top of it. Yes. And then I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing right here. So it's supposed to be in line with the piece that you placed your glue already. Alright. Alright, so there you go. So there we have it. And that's basically it for our sustain pad. So this is just the easiest way to make one. Alright? but we can make several different type of sustain pads, but this is just the basic way, or the easiest, and not just the easiest, but one of the cheapest ways to make the sustain pad that we need. Here in Jamaica, the least you'd pay for a sustain pad is probably about 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and this, to make this here, it's not even $700. So we save practically 50%. Alright? Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you can see the sustain pad that we make, but so this is how it sounds when I'm not pressing on it. So this is the sound that we get. Alright? And this is the sound that we get whenever I'm pressing on it. You hear that? So it holds the sound longer. So without pressing on it, so you see? So it allows the sound to hold longer. So once you make it the way that I showed you, that is what will happen. Please remember to like this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section.
Thank you so much for watching.